Hey, I wanted to address a couple more things. Um, I know there's people out there that you know will look at a video and feel, he didn't address something that I'm dealing with, so maybe I shouldn't comment, or maybe it's something that he can't help. But I just wanted to mention, I was 220 pounds a year and a half, 2 years ago. I've been able to manage that and lose the weight, not only just physically but mentally, spiritually. It was a lot of blockages going on in my life, and I've dealt with that. I've dealt with overcoming certain struggles and pains, adversity, attachment to finances, money, um, um, just a lot of things, ideas. Sorry, I said money twice. That's why I got stuck there. But you know, affirmations, procrastination. You know, I published a book in 2 hours. I wrote the book, and I managed to publish the book in about 4 days, and got the printed copy. Got people to buy it. It's an affirmations book for children. How spiritually guided intelligence came to my consciousness for me to think of, to start. That idea of the book came to me at like 3 in the morning. I got into this flow state, and I just decided to do it. I can help you take action on certain things that we're missing in our lives. Maybe we have a lot of self-talk, our image, anything. I'm just really looking forward to you asking me. I just want to tell you some more. I was addicted to drugs at such a young age. I was an addict. I was homeless. I've been homeless. Um, I've been through trauma. I've been hurt in many ways. We can privately talk and share. If you don't feel comfortable sharing in a comment, send me a message, and we'll talk in a direct message before we talk on a video, or we can type back and forth, or a phone call. But I like this face to face on a video. We can connect our energies this way as well. Um, but I just wanted to share just a couple more things that I'm able to help with, as well. Nutrition, gut. I'm very educated. I've been studying for over 10 years. I've been able to be at ease in the present moment of dis-ease. I've been in moments of most people can be struggling. I was starving at one point. I had no food. I had to depend on a food bank, and my ego was too high. So for several months, I wouldn't even go to the food bank, and I would starve. I've starved for days. I've been to jail. Like, I know I can help fathers. I've gone through the court system. I've fought for my son for 12 years. I can help in many ways, many aspects. And it's good to be open. I'm being open right now. Um, but I just wanted to share this, and keep looking forward to this journey. Life's a journey. If you have a question, if you want to talk, you just need somebody there. I would love to just be there with you and help you. And have a blessed day. Thank you very much. Bye.